Right now I have Nissan Navara with code P0335, which is crankshaft position sensor. So when I try to start this vehicle, there's a lot of hesitation, rough idling, stalling, loss of power. See, rough idling, stalling when you're starting. So according to this vehicle, the fault code is P0335, which is crankshaft position sensor circuit. I'm trying to clear the fault code from the system right now. See, let me read again. We still have that fault code on the system, which is P0335. So the main problem here is crankshaft position sensor. This is the engine. So I'm going down where the crankshaft is between the gearbox and engine. This is the crankshaft position sensor, and this is the socket. So I'm going to remove that sensor so that we replace with a new sensor. So I'm going to use a ratchet with number 10 millimeters box. That this is a 3-pin sensor. So in that sensor we have 5 volts earth, then reference from the ECU. Let me remove that sensor. Somehow tight. Yes. Okay, this is the crankshaft sensor, so I'm going to replace with that one. So I need to make sure everything is intact. Like that. Socket. So like that. I think right now we are done. We still have a bit of hard start, but we don't have check engine on the dashboard. So meaning right now it's okay. I will try to clear that fault code so we see if we still have that hard start. So right now everything is working perfect, but let me try to clear that fault code system. So the CKP so make sure the ignition is on like that. Okay, no fault code detected. Half kick. Half kick, no hard start. So the problem with the crankshaft position sensor. Let me do it again. No hard start. So let me show you. Let me read again the fault code. There's no any fault code on the system. So thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.